Welcome to Papa Bear's Peppers, and I'm Harold, and today join me in my Palram Essence Silver 8x12 greenhouse, and I came up with this 2 days ago. And I built this one here that I showed you in my review yesterday, and today I'm going to show you what I did and how I did it. So when I built my Palram, I had leftover fasteners, and these they come with your kit. Because of certain modifications you did or that you'll do. And as you can see here, I've got this square fastener, and what I ended up doing, now you can either use a grinding wheel, or if you have a Dremel or some kind of a rotary tool like that, you can grind down the end and do it like this. Let me take this fastener off so you can really get a good look. And you got to make them like this so that they'll fit inside of these slots right here that are all along this channel. They got to be able to go in those slots and turn. So that's what I had to do to make a modification. I was looking at these shelves, and they were going to cost me $42 before the tax on Amazon. And I thought about it because I had just bought a raised bed from Costco, and it comes with these perforated shelves, and you could use whatever that you have available, whether it's a light piece of wood or, it only costed me $66 at Costco. So I already got a raised bed, and I'm getting shelves out of it. When we were doing some remodeling, I had some brackets left over, and what I ended up having to do is drill these holes like you have here. I had to drill these out with a 1 or 1/4 inch drill bit, and that opened it up enough so I can put these fasteners in. Still, again, like I said, I had this leftover hardware. These are the fasteners. They're a self-tapper that I'm going to use to anchor down my panel with. So what you do, and it's really a simple one, and that's why this is really one of those quick tips today. It's just that easy. So what you want to do is you're going to go ahead and put this in so the lug is facing backwards, and then just start your bolt or your nut on the end of it here. Like so, and so we're going to do the next one, same thing. That little lug that I made on here, if you can see that, I narrowed that down just about the diameter of the fastener itself. So I'm just going to put that right in there, just like that, and put my nut on here. And all this hardware came with my Palram Essence Silver Edition, and I gotta tell you folks, love this Silver Edition. So also in this kit, it comes this little tool, and that's what you use to tighten these down with. And just for the purposes, I'm going to go ahead and install this right here. Get the other one to line up. And I'm going to bring you over for the next one, folks, so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So there's one of them in. That easy. Now I'm going to bring you over here so you can hopefully see this next one go in. Sorry, extreme close-up. Anyway, so hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. I'm going to hopefully pin you on here and not drop you. So we're going to be working in this one right here, and I'm going to turn your attention towards it and not me. More important that I have you looking here. So again, I'm using, this is the long end and the short end here. This is only like 6 inches here, and this is 8. So On the short end, I've drilled these out, and these are just old brackets I had laying around, so I'm really reutilizing or repurposing all my stuff. So those of you that do have a Palram, or if your greenhouse has these type of tracks right here, you're in business, folks. So now if you had to, you could actually lift this up and these square fasteners would drop right into here, but I want them to be able so I can move them if I want to. And by doing it this way, I'm able to move them if I need to move them out of the way, which I'll move this one when I'm done with the video, but it's going to give me the purpose of what I want to do here. So I've started my lugs in here, and then I'm just going to come right in here just like this. I'm going to line them up with those slots. Get them things started in there. Just like that. Got that one in. And get this one to line up. Just like that. And again, I take my little tool and I'm just gonna do a quick measurement here just to kind of get this close to what I want. Hopefully. That's pretty close for what we're doing here. I just tighten that up. Really, folks, it's that simple. Now I've got that in. And that's anchored. And all I have to do is take this panel, and these are adjustable on height, so I don't have to worry about height adjustments. I'm going to come right in here, turn this way, and all I got to do is attach my screws at the bottom. And folks, I've got a new shelf for my Palram greenhouse here, and I literally do not have that much involved here. I'm using hardware that came extra with my Palram silver. Look at this. You look at this shelf on there, and I'm telling you right now, I just got myself a $42 shelf. I had these brackets, and if you got them laying around, great. If not, $6 each. If you got a piece of wood, you know, or if you've done one of these, then you might have two of these, because I use 4x8s. I want bigger raised beds, and I had two of these panels laid over, and look at this. I got two awesome shelves now. Cost me nothing. And I've got these that are locked in and they're movable. I can move them anywhere in the greenhouse that I want to have shelves. Yeah. Okay, folks, well, guess what? This hack's over, and all I gotta do is take and run these screws right in, which also came extra with my Palram silver. And I run these self tappers in, and if you have to, if you need them, but I mean, not that bad. So look, that's $84 I just saved. And it took me how long to do that? I literally, folks, I just drilled the holes just before I did this. We're at the 10-minute mark. I've already got this shelf on. If I wasn't talking, it'd already be mounted. So, this is Harold with Papa Bear Peppers. Hopefully you've got a greenhouse that's got these slots, and you can do it to yours too. All right, well, we're going to talk to you later. You keep growing.